Starting with the first scene, here's our _app.js file for a Next.js application. By importing Tailwind CSS at the top, we're including all of Tailwind CSS's base, components, and utilities styles globally, making them available throughout the app. We then render the appropriate page by passing in the component and page props, which Next.js provides to handle the incoming request. Moving to our Tailwind configuration file, Tailwind Config.js, we've set some future flags for upcoming features, like purge layers by default, to enable more efficient CSS purging, and remove deprecated gap utilities, to avoid using deprecated style utilities. We specify the paths to our components and pages directories in the purge option, allowing Purge CSS to strip out any unused CSS for a leaner production build. In this component, Responsive card, we're using Tailwind CSS for responsiveness. The Flex and Flex call classes apply a flexible layout and stack child elements vertically. On medium-sized screens, prefix MD, we switch to Flex row, which aligns children horizontally. The image takes full width by default, W full, but on medium screens and up, it only takes a third of the container's width with MD, W 1/3. We also adjust margins responsively, with Mount 4 for top margin on small screens and MD, Mount 0 MD, ML4 to remove the top margin and add left margin on medium screens, effectively positioning the text next to the image.